To apply for a job on Upwork, start by going to Upwork.com and logging into your account. Ensuring your profile is set up, scroll down to the Jobs You Might Like section and filter by Best Matches, Most Recent, or Saved Jobs. Select a job that suits your skills and interests, and view its details, including the fixed price, job level, and required skills. To apply, click Apply Now and review the proposal settings, noting the number of connects required, in this case, 4 connects. If you have sufficient connects, you can proceed with the application. You can adjust the proposed price, view the job terms, and calculate the amount you'll receive after the freelancer service fee. Choose the project duration, and add a cover letter and any relevant attachments. You also have the option to boost your proposal. Once you've completed these steps, submit your application using the required connects. After applying, wait for the client's response, as they will decide whether to hire you for the job.